Hey there, remember this little fellow? To the few of you that actually remember what this thing is, this is the motherboard that I was sent instead of the motherboard that I f***ing ordered on eBay. What? This is not what I ordered. But ever since then, I just ordered some parts. That I'm gonna build a PC with, old edition. So here we're just gonna jump right in. First, we're gonna go over the parts. First thing, we got the CPU. I don't know if you can see it, but that's an Intel Core i3-4170 on the Haswell architecture. Here we have an old hard drive that I pulled from a PS4, 500GB Toshiba drive. We have a whopping 3GB of DDR3 RAM. And here we have the star of the show. We have a GT 710 with a whopping 2GB of
dedicated RAM.
We'll crack it open later and laugh at it together. You guys know the drill by now. We're just gonna start building it. Alright, first let's start it with our processor. Alright, let's get open our processor here. Alright, put it into the old ZIF socket, just like so. Boom, step one, complete. Step 2, complete. Here we got the cooler, DS tested. I would like to see what that means. Here we go. This is a super old design. This is for like early era AMD CPUs. Like, see these clips? It seems like it was made for like 939 era CPUs. Foam with the little poppets, the ring mount, and the push pins that you need, with some free thermal gloop, hook sticky, Alright, let's get these little push pins lined up right here.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay, ring mount installed. Now, let's bring in the cooler. Now, which way do you mount this, you may ask? Well, here's the answer. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna dog it. You get the little hook, and you push down the second pin. Okay, success. Ah, crap. I forgot to put the thermal paste in. The most Caleb technician that's ever lived. Order of operations, the thermal paste comes first. Okay, now that the CPU is pasted up, now I can lower the cooler. Look at that. Pretty pathetic. But can't complain, it's better than integrated graphics. There you go. We're basically already gaming. It's time for the slow. Spinning hunk of metal, but this is the best I got since I don't have any SSDs yet. Alright, SATA 3. Nope, this is SATA 2, not SATA 3. This is SATA 3. Alright, then let's connect it to this spinning hunk of metal. We got the Thermaltake Smart 500 watt power supply. The CPU power switch. Alright. Okay. Power switch. And now, okay, this is cable disaster. Wait, hold on. Forgot one more thing. Molex, no. Where's SATA? Alright, here it is. SATA power. Connect that right here. There. All right, let's get a handy dandy capture card. Okay, and then this will go into my PC. CPU fan in. This lighting absolutely sucks. Alright, now that Windows 10 is on this little doohickey, let's go ahead and plug her in. Alright. There you go. Now that we're in the setup, I'm going to skip through a lot of this because me and a lot of you should know that doing anything with the hard drive on Windows takes absolutely forever. This is what I get for using a 2.5-inch hard drive that's meant for f***ing laptops. This only happens to me when I don't have a SSD laying around, man. Like I said, it's been almost 10 minutes already. This is what happens when you install Windows 10 on a f***ing hard drive. Get an SSD. It's gonna make all the difference. They are not that expensive.